Hello everyone. So here I will present you this electric scooter right here. This is the X900. This is a dual motor electric scooter. It is a dual motor electric scooter. It is a foldable electric scooter, and in this video I'm going to present every part of this electric scooter. So just make sure that you watch it very carefully. So I will start with the handlebar parts here. So here we have the right part and then we have the left part. So I will start with the right part of this electric scooter. So in this part here you can see we have the lock switch. If you want to turn it on and if you want to turn it off, you can use this switch here. And you can see when you buy this electric scooter you have these two keys that you receive with, and to turn it on you first use the switch, and you can see here it is on, and you can press now this power switch right here. Then now you can see your electric scooter, it is on. And in this electric scooter we have different information for you. We have the gear, so this is the speed modes, and here it is the speed, and here we have the battery power that it is on your electric scooter. And down here we have the single mode. Here we have the single mode or the dual mode. So if you want to use the both motor, or if you want to use only one motor. And we have this switch here if you want to limit your speed. So now I will show you how to change the speed mode on this electric scooter. If you want to change the speed mode on this electric scooter, you just press M button right here. So once you press it once, you can see here it is right hand 2, and if you press again you can see here it is right hand 3. So this means that every time you press the M button you change the maximum speed of the electric scooter. So in the first speed mode you can ride up to 20 kilometers per hour. In the second speed mode you ride up to 40 kilometers per hour, and in the third speed mode you ride up to 60 kilometers per hour. This is a very fast electric scooter. So I showed you the right part of this electric scooter. Now I will show you the left part of this electric scooter. So in the left part you can see we have the light switches here for you. So you can use this one for the lights. You can use this one for the lights right here. You can see your light, it is on, and this is a very powerful front light. And once you turn on the light as well, you can also see that here you have this nice light. So here is under the sunlight, so you might not see very well. So, and the last part of the left part of the handlebar, it is the alarm button here. So if you need it, you can just press here, then you can use the alarm. So this is the first part of the electric scooter. It is the handlebar. Now I will show you how to remove this seat. So I will first show you how you can remove this seat. If you buy this electric scooter with the seat, you can see here we have this seat, and this seat can be removed. How can you remove this seat? First thing to do is to use this silver part here, right here. You can see you just open it like this. So you open it like this, and now it is open. So once it is open you can remove this seat, as you can see here. So this seat can be removed very easily, and you can put it also very easily. So once you remove it like this, you put it at one place. Then now you can now fold this seat part as well. You also use this silver part. You turn it like this, then you push it here. Then you use this part right here, you open it. As you can see, it is very easy to remove the seats, to fold it. So once you do like this, you can now fold your electric scooter. Now you can fold your electric scooter, so I will show you. So you can see here we have the folding system here for you. So the first thing to do, you should take this red iron here, you push it back like this. And now you take this remaining part here, you push it like this. So then it is folding. Make sure that you push it down, and when it is down like this, now you can lift your electric scooter. As you can see here, you can lift it if you want to put it in a small space. So that's how you can fold this electric scooter. So now I will show you how you can unfold it. So how can you unfold it? The first thing to do is right here. You open like this and you put your leg here, so your electric scooter won't move. Then you can see here it is locked. Then now you push this remaining part also. As you can see here, it is unfolded. So this is how you can unfold it. And now you can now put the seat. Now you can put the seat right here. You start again. You put this part back. Then you lock it. So you can see you lock it here. Then you use this remaining part right here as we did at the beginning. You also lock it. Then now you can take your seat. Now you can take your seat that you removed before. You put it back. You put it at the height that you want. If you want it to be like this, if you want it to be like this, so you just decide your side. Once you decide the height, then you can lock it. Like this. As you can see here, it is locked, and your electric scooter, it is folded and unfolded. It doesn't even take 1 minute to fold it. And this is a dual motor electric scooter. We call it X900. And this electric scooter, it is waterproof electric scooter. This is a waterproof electric scooter, and all this cable, it is IP54 waterproof. So you can use it under a small rain. So it is a very nice electric scooter, and thank you so much.